Homemade Italian meatball sub recipe with beef, delicious and easy. Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our multi-recipes and COOKERIES channel. Today, we've got a mouthwatering recipe for you, a homemade Italian meatball sub made with juicy beef. If you're a fan of hearty sandwiches with a burst of Italian flavor, you're in for a treat. Let's dive into the ingredients. For the meatballs: 1 pound ground beef, 1/2 cup breadcrumbs, 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese, 1/4 cup chopped fresh parsley, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 egg, salt and pepper to taste. For the marinara sauce: 1 can, 28 ounces, crushed tomatoes, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 1 teaspoon dried basil, salt and pepper to taste. For the sub: Italian sub rolls, sliced mozzarella cheese, fresh basil leaves, grated Parmesan cheese, optional, olive oil for brushing. Preparation. Step 1: prepare the meatballs in a large mixing bowl. Combine the ground beef, breadcrumbs, Parmesan cheese, chopped parsley, minced garlic, egg, salt, and pepper. Shape the mixture into meatballs, about 1 to 1.5 inches in diameter, and place them on a baking sheet. Bake the meatballs in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius, for 20-25 minutes or until they're cooked through and golden brown. Step 2: make the marinara sauce while the meatballs are baking. Let's whip up a quick marinara sauce. In a saucepan, combine crushed tomatoes, minced garlic, oregano, basil, salt, and pepper. Simmer over medium heat for about 15-20 minutes, stirring occasionally. Step 3: assemble the sub. Once the meatballs are ready, and the marinara sauce is simmered to perfection, it's time to assemble our Italian meatball sub. Cut the Italian sub rolls in half and place meatballs on the bottom half. Spoon some marinara sauce over the meatballs. Add a layer of sliced mozzarella cheese and a few fresh basil leaves. If you're a cheese lover, feel free to sprinkle some grated Parmesan on top. Place the sub in the oven under the broiler for a couple of minutes until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Before serving, brush the top half of the sub roll with olive oil and toast it for a minute or two. And there you have it, a delicious homemade Italian meatball sub with beef that's sure to satisfy your cravings. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our multi-recipes and COOKERIES channel, and hit the notification bell for more tasty recipes. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video. Ingredients and preparation methods are in the description box. Thank you very much. Italian meatball sub with beef lovers.